On today's Breezy's World.
Ooh, is it? You saucy.
It's me and my crew. Wait, Mom. So look, y'all, I did Paisley hair. Put your hair down so I can show them your hair, Mama. I had did her hair. I am not a braider. I do not want to be a braider because it hurts my hands. But, you know, baby girl got to have her hair done. So, what the heck? Mama. Got the boys over here. We waiting for Daddy. I was almost on time. Well, it's still time. It's 10:29. The reservations is made for 11, but my goal was for us to be at my parents' house by 10:30. So I gotta rush Sean right now. We cute. So cute. But yeah, I'm ready to eat. Wait, I hear somebody. Oh, Drew. You ready, Daddy? Look at him. He's so happy. So the place doesn't have parking, so we have to walk. Happy Father's Day, honey. Oh, you there already?
Yeah.
Okay, we almost there now. We passing First Street.
Okay.
All right.
Don't watch my dates. 19, 30.
So this is where we're going.
They got a barber shop.
They got a barber shop?
We have to go on the car.
I don't know how to do.
You see that girl running that track?
No, I just heard about it. I know she's a runner.
To make Gail eat?
Yeah, I saw her last.
Yeah?
The man flying in the air.
Oh, he too far.
Go get on that cruise ship out there, baby.
Ooh, that's kind of scary.
Tony said he's gonna take the boat and go out there fishing.
You can go fishing?
You going fishing on the boat cone out there in the water?
You're gonna be sick. Have a seat. Look at that. Tell your child to sit down.
You want to see what's at the bottom?
I looked over there and that looks kind of scary.
Look how she like slowly inching.
So I'm guessing she ain't never had a lemon before. She just took a bite of it and was like, hey, get your hand off the water, mama. Thank you.
I am black, but I need to put my jacket on because I can feel it.
Oh, look at people. Yeah, we downtown LA. Y'all can't even see me or no. It was a big. It's just a.
That's funny. That's so hilarious. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Is it open?
Coming right now.
Exactly.
Is that the right place? We made it!
5 minutes to spare.
We made it, y'all, with 5 minutes to spare.
I put my mind with their mind and we looked at you.
I ain't gonna take all the padding now, but you know.
They do nothing. They do nothing. I'm scared. Look at her. Look scared.
I wasn't gonna open no door.
It was lucky scary.
Shut up. Shut up. No, it'll do you. I promise you.
What table at, Bridget?
Got some fruit, some cake, some sandwiches. We got the chips. We got the brownies, candy, cookies, Lysol. Yeah, look at the candy up in here. Apples. Then there's sandwiches. Can't really see. Huh?
Mommy.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nice car right there.
Look, mommy.
Son, look at that Monte Carlo.
Yeah. Paisley got in the water?
Yep. You should have heard her holler when that water came up after.
Look, she's trying to go.
I done cut my nails.
Next. Stand up. Some this.
Y'all nasty.
Y'all didn't know they put that there, huh, Brittany? Yeah, that's what the kids can play on.
Dang, look how they gotta climb up there to get to the slide. Oh, that's some entanglement.
Go play it.
Yeah, you wanna go play, Drew?
Oh, my feet are clean and dirty.
Babe, no, I got my shoes. I got my camera.
Don't drop it, dude. Don't fight.
You gotta get your feet wet.
Yeah, you just feet with it.
She's gonna take all her clothes off.
I saw her in that dude.
You get used to it.
Yeah, she deep in there. Alan, don't.
Look, they got you on camera.
Don't touch it with your wet hands.
That's like our shorts.
No, you need your shorts.
It's cold. It's cold.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, can I subscribe to you?
Yes.
Are you smart?
Yes.
Okay.
How far can you go? Go down far?
What's that, Alan? A turd?
Instagram or something?
She love.jewel on Instagram.
Okay.
Mine
You?
is Ashley.562 on Instagram.
Okay, thank you guys. Oh, shit. Ah. I'm scared. Drew, get up. Oh, no.
Go on, movie star.
You gonna let Papa Drew?
You warm?
What you want?
You want me to do it all the way to your head? Tell your mama put the lay your head on that.
Yeah, look at this.
Now lay down. I'm gonna cover you up. Lay down. Lay down.
Look at his feet poking out.
Your feet not here.
Now lay your head back so I can cover the rest of your body up. Put your hands straight like that. Keep your eyes closed.
Look at him.
Yeah.
You gotta keep your eyes,
Keep your eyes closed.
And your mouth.
You see him, Lily? Yeah. I'm tired. I'm tired that I don't know what my body is like. Today was a really good day, and this is just the beginning of all the activities that will be going on. I'm just glad that I'm finally able to participate in them, even though I always participate in beach day, but I'm talking about the activities that are approaching. July gonna be popping. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Of course, I'm gonna vlog everything, but yeah, it's definitely gonna be popping. Family vacation finally built one, so I'm so excited, and now I'm going with my own little family.